Hey guys, I'm showing you this Vicsoon desk lamp for home, office or anything. It's a LED desk lamp with a wireless charger and a pen holder. So this comes in a nice pack. I will just open it and show you the assembly and how this is used and how this looks like so that it will be helpful for you like if this suits your purpose. So manual in the corner, I'm showing you the full manual here, and then I'm just opening or unboxing this lamp. So nice plastic, the material is really nice. As you can see it here, this shows like how you can use it. So this is the charger that comes with it, or the electric plug or the adapter. So this is a flexible neck. Now the charger goes here, and then I will just put it in the electricity. So as you can see, like the light is different modes: the yellow light, white light, mixed light, and this is the charging thing. You can charge your iPhone, or it can be a phone holder as well, like whatever you want to use it for. And this is the lights that looks like the LED lights. So this charger is actually the 10-watt wireless charger, just to know, and the adjustable light that you can see it here. There's a flexible neck here, and you can put in your pen and the holder here. So very nice lamp, and this have like everything with the night light, and you can of course adjust the brightness and also the different lights. So you can charge your cell phone, you can have the pen holder, you can have a lamp. So it's 4 in 1, which is very useful and helpful for every occasion. So from the back you can see the electric requirements thing, and pretty much the same and the nice quality.